Welcome back, guys, to our trusted shopify.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be showcasing the WYBOT Osprey 200 Max. Pool cleaning doesn't have to be tiring or expensive. In fact, there are a ton of pool cleaners that can get the job done. Our spotlight's on the ultimate catch that's all about bang for your buck. Say hello to the WYBOT Osprey 200 Max, where wireless performance meets wallet friendliness. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopify.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. First things first, let's crack open that box and see what's cooking inside. Pop the lid and you're greeted with a helpful instruction manual, plus a bunch of nifty add-ons. Think handy hooks that work like magic, letting you snap the unit onto your regular pool poles. Oh, and there's the power adapter. You gotta keep this baby juiced up. And of course, the star of the show is the pool cleaner itself, ready to dive in and do its thing. Now let's take a look at the unit's design. As soon as you take it out of the box, you'll immediately see its sleek design and compact size. Compared to most cleaners, it only weighs 7.9 pounds, allowing for easy maneuverability outside the pool. On top of that, it's compact at 16.14 by 15.87 by 8.46 inches. Stash it away without a sweat. Aside from its size and shape, it also features a handy yet durable handle that allows you to extract it after cleaning to pool. But hold on, there's more. The crown jewel, cordless. Say goodbye to those cord tangles and wave adieu to electric anxiety. This little champ runs cordless and safe. And before we move on, let's give a salute to the build quality. Solid as a rock. Robust, reliable, and ready to roll. Next, let's take a look at its features. Equipped with dual motor power and 2 bottomless assist scrapers, this unit ensures thorough cleaning of the pool surface. On top of that, the WYBOT suction power allows it to effortlessly pick up sand, dust, and small-sized leaves. The unit even features a 180 micrometer fine filter specifically designed to capture the tiniest particles to ensure crystal clear pool water. Now, in terms of setup and versatility, the WYBOT definitely delivers. This unit is compatible with a number of pool types and shapes, whether they're round, rectangular, or oval. It can also do its job at both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 861 square feet to ensure the best results. Our team found WYBOT's setup process incredibly easy too. You'll be able to set the WYBOT's wheels to cater to the shape of your pool. We recommend an A-B combination for round pools and a C-D combination for rectangular pools. Do note that pushing the tab and rotating the wheels were almost effortless to do. You can now turn the power on by pressing the red button located underneath the cleaner. After that, drop the entire unit into the water and ensure that it's completely submerged. The WYBOT will now automatically start its cleaning cycle that features smart navigation technology, allowing it to make its way around the pool, but we'll get into detail about that in a bit. Next up, we have everyone's favorite part, WYBOT's cleaning efficiency. Let's cut to the chase. It's a power-packed wonder. Debris? No biggie. This champ gobbles up everything in its path like a vacuum on a mission. And here's the kicker, it gets the job done in a snappy 100 minutes. That's right, an entire pool is checked off the list, all while you're sipping your lemonade. And guess what? When the cleanup curtain call arrives, there's no need to play mermaid. Hook it up to a suitable pole using the provided hook. Retrieval minus the swim. Oh, and let's not forget, it's buddy-buddy with standard pool poles. Now that we're done cleaning, let's take a look at how we'll be removing and washing the filter. What we love about this process is that it's simple and straightforward. Simply open the lock buckles, remove the top cover, and simply rinse off the dirt and debris inside the unit and the filter itself with running water. You can either use a low-powered hose or simply pour some water into the unit to remove all the dirt. Alright, let's break down how the WYBOT gets its mojo back with the charging process. Look under the hood and you'll spot the charging port chilling there under the machine. It's packing a punch with a 5,200 mAh battery that's like a marathon runner. A full charge gives you a whopping 100 minutes of cordless cleanup. That's a whole pool's worth. And check this out, the refill's quick 3 to 5 to 4 hours and it's back in action. Ever seen a light show in a plug? Well, now you will. While it's choosing up, that light changes from chill green to I'm getting ready red. Easy peasy. Hold up, there's more in the bag of tricks. Feast your eyes on the self-parking technology. Imagine this, it's cruising along, hits a wall, and bam, the reverse gear kicks in. No drama. Plus, when it senses it's running on fumes, it does the smart thing and moves closer to the edge. It's like it has a sixth sense for power preservation. To wrap up today's video, We can say for sure that the WYBOT Osprey 200 Max was able to excel at everything it does. From its cordless design to its powerful suction down to its smart navigation technology, this compact unit is a perfect value for money cleaner. Our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com highly recommends this cleaner to individuals looking for a quick, simple, yet effective solution to their pool cleaning routine. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the WYBOT Osprey 200 Max. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.